Welcome once more again, up and running from the Candyman Sweet Flag once more again. But today I'm gonna cook up some curry chicken foot right now. And just season them up right now with some curry. So I'm just gonna put the pot on right now and deal with some chicken foot. Zing. So just like up the video and subscribe onto the channel. Turn on the notification bell. That's when I put up a new video. You will be the first one to see what's going on into the Candyman kitchen. Up and running. Yeah, we're gonna cook some lovely chicken foot again today. A little pot on the fire right there. Alright, I'm just gonna put a little oil in it and some garlic. And get it ready up, burn some curry. In this pot over here. Just gonna burn a little curry in this one and then throw in my chicken foot them. Yeah, I just need a little oil in it to burn the curry with. Alright. Alright. Yeah, that's the curry that I'm burning right now. Yeah, some more curry in it. Yeah. And then I'm just gonna put the chicken foot them in now. Alright, this is the burning of the curry. My peppers them that I put in right now. Just gonna seal them up first. Then I'll just put some water on them to slowly cook down. And these chicken foot gonna go with some hard food in it. Some banana and dumpling and pumpkin. Alright, so this is the starting of cooking the chicken foot now. So I'm just cooking them down now. Add a little water to it to just cook down the chicken foot them now. They get nice and tender. And then I put my seasoning on and season them up. Just gonna peel these banana right now. Put into my pot right there to cook some banana in it. Cook some hard food right now. Banana kind of turn right now. I love when they like this and you cook them, they taste nice. Alright. And then I'm just gonna do up my pumpkin. Alright, so that's my banana right there. Then I'm gonna cook up with some hard food right now. Yeah, I'm just gonna need some flour right now. Cook my dumpling. Yeah, I'm needing up some all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add some cornmeal to it as well. Don't like white flour dumpling any. So I'm just gonna add some cornmeal to my flour. Make up some nice dumpling. That's the cornmeal to it. All I need now is just some water and some salt in it, and that's all about it. Add a little salt into it. Yeah. Some water in it now and start knead it up. That's the way you combine the flour with the cornmeal. Just like that. Now you throw the water in. Then you start to knead up the flour now. Get it together. Alright. Some more water in. Kneading up my dough to make my dumpling. Yeah, that's the finishing needing of my dough right now. Just gonna use these dough now to make up some lovely dumpling right now. See, finish knead it out. Yeah, I'm just gonna break them down and make some dumpling right now. Yeah, break them down to make some dumpling now. This is my chicken foot right now, cooking down nice and slowly on the fire. Need some more water in it. It's frying down, it needs to cook down more. Alright, add some water to it to make it get tender. Alright. Yeah, they're going to simmer down. I'm just gonna cut a piece of my pumpkin right now. I'm gonna cook a piece of pumpkin in it as well. Yeah. Yeah. There is a piece of pumpkin right now. Alright. So that's my pumpkin right there. Just gonna wash them off in the sink now. Gonna finish cut them up. Alright, that's my pumpkin right there. Just gonna wash them off right now. Clear up my bowl right there. Get these in the bin. That's my pumpkin there that I'm gonna wash off right now. Alright. Go. That's my pot there, that's my hard food gonna go into right now. I'm just gonna put my dumpling into my pot right now. Just making the dumpling like this. You wanna see how to make it? That's how you do it. Lovely dumpling. Into my pot right now. Yep, knead it around like this and then you roll it around like this. That's the good shape of it, and then you press it like this. Yeah. Lovely dumpling. Alright. It's the cornmeal dumpling, this one, yep. Roll it. Press it. That's all about it. Some lovely cornmeal dumpling into my pot today. Roll it like this. And that's it. Just gonna put in my pumpkin right now and banana right now into the pot. Alright, that's all about it. It's my pumpkin and banana right now. Top of my pot. Then I'm gonna close my pot and let it boil up now. Because I turned on the fire, it was boiling up too much. So that's gonna stay there and slowly cook down. See what's going on with my chicken foot right now. See it? It's simmering down right now, the chicken foot them. Just gonna season them up right now. Put some seasoning on it now, some green seasoning. And that's all about the curry chicken foot today. So just subscribe to the channel, like up the video and share it up. Turn on the notification bell, that's whenever I put up a new video, you will be the first one to see what's going on into the Candyman kitchen. Up and running. Alright, so chicken foot is coming down to perfection right now. Nice and lovely. You can see what's going on into my chicken foot pot now. See if they're getting tender. Yeah, they get tender now and soft in it. So I'm just gonna season them up right now with some green season. Yep, they're getting tender now. Alright, so they cook now. So all I have to do now is just season it up right now. Put some onion and thyme and scallion and sweet pepper and stuff like that. Just stay in tune for this one. It's my season right there. For my chicken foot, yeah. Alright. That season is gonna go on my chicken foot right now. The hot pepper, cutting up some hot pepper into my chicken foot. That's all the season gonna go on the chicken foot right now. So that's what it all about. That's it. Slowly boiling now. It cook already, so I'm just gonna season it up right now. This is my special blend up season that I just blend up and put on my food when I'm cooking. Yeah, I'm just putting some into the pot right now. Yeah, that's my blend up season right there. And then I'm gonna put the green season in right now. Alright. Yeah, that's the blend up season right there. And that's my season now. I'm just putting on top of the pot. Finish off everything. Alright, so that's my curry chicken foot there. Finish up right now. Put in the green season in it now and then let it slowly steam down in it. Alright. Yeah, so that's all about it. The blend up season and the green season now. Gonna just finish off my chicken foot right there because it's nice and tender right now. Curry chicken foot right there. Alright. Alright, let me close the pot and let it boil up now. That's my hard food over here cooking down nice and lovely. My banana dumpling and pumpkin. So just stay in tune until everything finish up. You see how it goes in the Candyman kitchen, and just subscribe to the channel. Like up the video, share it up. Turn on the notification bell. Keep the Candyman up in the game. Up and running. Alright, so that's... I'm gonna line up some steamed fish now for myself, you get me? Oh, that chicken foot is not for me. I don't eat meat. I'm just gonna do up a look at one steamed fish right now for myself with some okra. Alright. Yeah, so that's the chicken foot finishing down right there. Alright. Chicken foot simmering down now. Nice and lovely. Yeah, it's chicken foot right there simmering down. Nice and lovely from the Candyman. Sweet flag once more. So just subscribe onto my channel right now. Like it and share it, and thank you. Keep the Candyman up in the game. Thank you for all my subscribers them who subscribe onto my channel. Each and every one. Thank you very much. Alright, so that's some lovely spicy chicken foot right there, ready up now with some hard food over there. I'm just gonna line up these okra right now, cut the top and the bottom of them. Go into my steamed fish. I don't eat meat, innit? I don't eat chicken foot, so I just have to do up some steamed fish for myself, innit? Just fish and veg I eat, you know? So I'm gonna steam up my fish now. Steam up a one fish, yeah. I'm just doing up the okra them and cut up some seasoning to go into my steamed fish right now. This one tough boy. Don't know if I'm gonna put it into the batch because it's gonna take long to cook in. Alright, so that one finished up right now. Looking nice and lovely. Curry chicken foot right now. That's the finishing touch right now. I'm just gonna turn off the stove. So just subscribe up onto the channel and like up the video and share it up and turn on the notification bell. That's whenever I put up a new video, you will be the first one to see what's going on into the Candyman kitchen. Up and running. Just gonna share some food right now. What the food tastes like. That's curry chicken foot with hard food right there.
Yeah.
Up and running from the Candyman Sweet vlog once more again. Alright, Skeletor sample the food, so I'm gonna tell you what it tastes like.
Good man. Nice. Good piece of the dumpling, yeah.
Yeah, all the curry chicken foot tastes. It's bad. Sample it and let them know what it tastes like. Alright, you take one in your mouth.
Wow, fire. Curry sweet, man, nice.
I said food up.
Food up and running.
Alright, so that's a curry chicken foot with the hard food right there with some dumpling and pumpkin and banana right there. From the Candyman Sweet vlog once more again. So just like up the video and subscribe up onto the channel and share it up and like it up. Turn on the notification bell. That's whenever I put up a new video, you will be the first one to see what's going on into the Candyman kitchen. Up and running. The Candyman is up and out. Yeah, I'm going to steam my fish right now.